Passion for me is a feeling of excitement, engagement, flow, really being involved in whatever it is I want to do. I often get the most passionate when I think of ideas. And something I've learned myself is that I really have to want to follow through with those ideas. So for me, passion sits really well with my ability to use self-regulation, which was the video from 2 days ago. Because I find that when I get really passionate about something, I really want to do it and I really want to do it right now. But sometimes, as with everything, or a lot of things I do certainly, we sometimes need the goodwill and enthusiasm of others to join in with us. Now, there are a lot of things that we can do in order to make that more likely to happen. But if we aren't paying people, if it's not part of their job, if it's not, and even if it is, we can't necessarily expect them to be as passionate as we are. So something that I think about now is when I have an idea I'm really passionate about, how much do I want to do it? And the first question is, can I do it myself? Do I have the skills? Do I have the ability to do it? And can I find them or learn them if I don't? The next thing I ask myself is, if I do need others, then who will be as passionate as me? And when I invite people, I make it very, very clear exactly what the needs are. And even then, I do invite people carefully. I've learnt not to be desperate. Why? Well, partly because I've learnt that a lot of my ideas are good ones and are exciting ones. And they often do take work. But the payoff for me, I know, and the payoff of that project is huge. So those are the things that I think about. Perhaps they're things that you might start to think about too. And that's how one skill, one strength, passion, really needs the other strength, self-regulation, to bring that thing that you're passionate about to fruition. Remember, we can't force others. We can't expect them even to be as passionate as we are. We can certainly hope, but we can try and make it as easy as possible for them. And we have to really appreciate they have every right to say no if they decide to, even if we're disappointed. So how might passion impact your day to day? I'm certainly doing a few things I'm not necessarily passionate about, but I'm sure I can find passion in a lot of them. For example, after this, I'm going to be running, and I'm not passionate about running itself, but I love how great I feel afterwards. I love listening to positive affirmations while I run. So that's something that gets me excited. So perhaps even if you're not passionate about the things you're doing today, you can find an element or add an element of passion. How can passion help you when you're in a tight spot? Thinking about your why, thinking about your reason why you're doing it in the first place. That can sometimes be enough to really refocus me and get me going again, really motivate me. Sometimes it might be just stopping, doing something I'm passionate about, and jumping off the back of that energy onto doing the thing I'm less passionate about. How can passion help you when you're stuck? Well, that would be one example. And how can you create an opportunity for passion? Well, I think, again, I can look for things that make me passionate. I can seek out people with whom I can have passionate discussions. I can start and proactively take the lead on passionate discussions or reaching out to those people. And in fact, as I reflect now, I see that passion probably is one of the best ones to end this series of intentions on. Because actually, passion needs all of the other strengths to really work well, to really engage me. And it's something that I will now look at when it comes to my passions, because passion is so easy for me. It's how to engage all the other strengths. So let's set today's intention of passion with an affirmation. Today, I will choose to be passionate about something or someone or even anything I'm grateful or appreciative of. Today, I will see how passion can help me overcome obstacles, perhaps by adding it to what I'm doing, or finding something that truly makes me passionate and then trying the thing that I'm stuck with. And today, I will recognize how others express their passion and how much I enjoy being around passionate people. And that will help me be discerning with my passion, because passion is one of my strengths that works best in combination with my other strengths.